The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is 1st of November, All Saints' Day. And the Gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 1 to 12. That is the Beatitudes. Blessed are those who are poor, who are persecuted, who are suffering, who are thirsty. And at the end of the Gospel, the Lord said, Rejoice and be glad, for your rewards will be great in heaven. Such a comforting words coming from our Lord. We may not have the best in their life. We may have been persecuted. We may have been suffering from so many things, poverty, persecutions. But the Lord is telling us, endure it all. Be patient. Have courage. Be faithful. And in the end, the reward, which is heaven, will await all of us. The saints whom we are commemorating today, including those unnamed saints who are only known to God because we do not know. While the church have official canon of saints, there are still some people who have yet been recognized. But only God knows they are now enjoying the glory of God in heaven. And so, who knows, one day, which we should all dream of, we will also be called saints. As Saint John Berkman said, the only failure in life is the failure not to become a saint. And so let us try our best. Let us dream of becoming a saint. It is not that we are too much ambitious. No, because for that very reason that God has created all of us. We were created to become saints. We were created to be with God in heaven. We were created to share in the divinity of God. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, live here on earth as it is in heaven. No matter how difficult, we have to endure it all because the Lord will reward us with heaven. And that is the most beautiful thing that we could ever expect. Live today as if it is already in heaven. Happy All Saints' Day, and let us invoke the intercession of our favorite saints. God bless.